up, burritos? So Nicki Minaj has finally clapped back at Cardi B.
The other night, I was a part of something so mortifying and so humiliating to go through in front of a bunch of upper echelon. And it's not about white or black. It's about upper echelon people who are, you know, people who have their lives together. The way they passed by looking at this disgusting commotion, I will never forget. I was mortified. I was in Alexander Vautier gown, okay? And I could not believe how humiliated it all felt, because we, and I use we loosely, and I'm gonna clarify how we made ourselves look.
Yes to Boxfoot, and I know y'all have been waiting for it since she and Cardi B had the altercation at the Harper's Bazaar Icon Party a few days ago. People have been waiting for Nicki Minaj to respond, and she did so, as expected, on her podcast on Apple Music called Queen Radio. Now, first, let me just play a little bit of what she had to say today.
I want to say that I would never discuss anyone's child, and it's so sad that for someone to pin that on me because I'm the bad guy and they know people would believe them. So let me just go on record having said I would never talk about anyone's child or parenting. I don't care about anyone's parenting. I don't give a shit. And it's so crazy to me that people always need to make Onika the bad guy.
Boy, oh boy, when we say Nicki Minaj talk up a bag of things, she her talking up a crocus bag of things. She gonna call Cardi B a disgusting person.
Type of disgusting pig this person is. So thank you so much for calling. I will hit you back after the show, my darling. I'm sure the bars would like to give you a nice, lovely donation, my darling. Thank you. Bye.
That sound after you talk is
Calling other people, somebody talked about your child that never talked about you can get some fuck.
She gonna basically call her a hypocrite for talking about another woman's child.
You had something about you were hit up by her saying, ha ha ha, that's good, that's why your baby died, calling your dead child a monkey.
Yeah, she didn't hit me up directly in DMs. It was underneath one of her posts as a comment.
Oh, okay. We have the screenshot of it. I just wanted to hear it from your mouth because, you know, so very often I let people do a lot of bullshit.
And then she gonna bring up the whole fact that Cardi B might actually be suffering from post-depression because, you know, so she have her pity from what day.
You're angry and you're sad, and this is not funny, and this is not about attacking. This is about get this woman some help. This woman is at the best stage in her career, and she's out here throwing bottles and throwing shoes?
Let's get up a 1-800 number for postpartum depression.
I like that sound.
Because let me tell you something. That's nothing to joke about. It's nothing to joke about. You just had the biggest blessing of your life with a child, and in 2 weeks...
Until y'all stop this bull laughing at this shit ain't funny. You put your hands on certain people, you gonna die. Period.
And she talk about how Cardi B did go send man go to a club for go beat up 2 bartenders.
They can't feed their family because you mad at what another man sticking his... You mad at a woman for what a man is doing. And that's the problem with so many black women and women, period. Oh, because she's not black. Because she refers to you black women. Oh, we got the receipts for that too. FYI, she refers to black women as monkeys and roaches. Roaches!
Just glad I fixed myself up before she got this show. Just glad I fixed myself up.
To freedom! These are the women going hard for her. The roaches. When the lights come out.
She even went as far as to suggest that Cardi B has, you know, had sex with DJs so her music can get played.
I'm just playing. I'm saying.
You came into my f***ing culture. I never had the f***ing DJ to play my songs.
Think I'm trying to get a coochie to Quavo.
People, when I say Nicki Minaj went for her receipt, she went for all of them. You see, this is exactly why I never want Cardi B to fight her, because I know how Nicki Minaj stay. Nicki Minaj can take some time and put things together and just like respond. But what people are asking Nicki is that, Nicki, where was all this energy when you did that event with Cardi B? You see, you're on the radio show and you're going bad and you're going bold and you're going boisterous and all of these things. Where was this same energy? Because what people like about Cardi B is that exactly what she sing about in her music are the same thing. She's actually about that life. What to you, Nicki? What happened to you?
I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. If that bitch gets slick, I'll cut the bitch. Can't be starting all these problems if you cannot solve them. Cardi backing down, I swear to God, there's not an option. Rain down on that.
Nicki, you have to keep the same energy and do not change it, because Nicki, you seem to be a little bit of a troublemaker, but you know the persons who you can bad up and who that you can intimidate.
And now, back to this bitch that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Hey.
Sort of bad girl type of behavior with Mariah Carey and with Miley Cyrus and with Taylor Swift, because you basically know say you're better than them. But when it came to Remy Ma, when it came to Lil Kim, when it came to Cardi B, then you were hiding behind security guards and then you weren't about all of that life. So where the badness gone?
I'll be right here with you. You'll be right here with me.
Come here! Bitch, come here!
I'll be right here with you. You'll be right here with me.
Why? But all I have to know is that I am very glad for this outlet that Nicki Minaj can actually share her side of the story. I love that she never really go on Instagram and go talk about it. I'm glad that she save up everything so that she can get all of the promotion, all of the listenership, all of the views and everything on our podcast.
You knew that when that footage came out, you was about to look dumb. So your publicist, who also looked dumb, standing there about to tape, thinking somebody's about to get snuffed or something with the phone camera. Okay, so they hurried up and put out a statement. And you know what? I'm such an ill-ass bitch. I didn't even feel the need to defend myself that night and say, I didn't say this, I didn't do this, I didn't stop no bags. Give me a break. But I'm gonna get it.
I didn't understand how did bags stop.
I'm gonna get in. It's a bunch of lies, but I'm gonna get into it. I just want everybody to.
And then as I know, say, once Nicki got talking, we're going to have a lot of reactions from people who are all over the media. Remy Ma weighed in as well, and she sounded like say she was taking Cardi B's side. Listen and tell me what you have to say.
That's never gonna
Stop
happen.
tweeting crazy. Stop doing all this fucking.
you can't
can't back it up, because as soon
Just period.
as niggas
Period.
be talking all this real
Even if you can
shit,
back it up.
and as soon as some real shit happen, not an altercation where somebody gets hit in the head by security and end up with a speed out. When some real shit really happen, when somebody in the hospital, somebody's cut, somebody stabbed, somebody shot, somebody stomped out. Everyone's like, oh my God, stop the violence, please, we can't do this. But when niggas is talking all that real nigga shit and all this gangster shit and all this gang shit and everything else, everybody thinks it's cool and they quoting it and using it as lines to their songs. But as soon as something happened, why would Cardi do that? Oh my God. And I can't believe, and these
My only
bitches,
thing is,
like, nah, stop.
I don't have a.
Then in a surprising twist, the person who I guess I didn't expect to talk about this whole entire situation was Wendy Williams. No, let me just correct that. I expected her to talk about it. I just never expect her to sound like she gonna defend Nicki Minaj. Because as you know, Wendy Williams, she don't really love Nicki that much. She loves Remy Ma. She likes Lil Kim, but she don't really check for Nicki Minaj. So to hear her say this was a little bit shocking.
People criticize parenting skills all the time. Who cares? You know what kind of parent you are. Remy Ma, laughing. Disgusting behavior.
Well, that is it, people. Let me know, what did you think about Nicki Minaj comments on Queen Radio? Are you supporting her? Are you glad that she has a medium to share her side of the story? Do you actually believe her? Do you think that Cardi B might actually be suffering from postpartum? Wait, I forgot the word. Depression. Comments below. I want to hear what all of you will have to say. Do you think that Cardi B have feelings that she needs for direct to Offset? And just spew it out at other women? Just let me know your thoughts, burritos. Comments below. If you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and also to leave a comment. Let me know if you're Team Nicki or you're Team Cardi B, as well as to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Take care until next time.